Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. This is Cookmas and I will be making some vegetable soup. And I will be cooking this in my slow cooker. So first let's begin with pouring our chicken broth. Sliced carrots, and you want to use diced tomatoes, drained. So drain your diced tomatoes. Green beans. So that's celery, onion, green bell peppers, and red potatoes. And I will be using the egg-free wide pasta ribbons. So this is what I will be using. Peas. So I have my slow cooker set to high. Okay, so let's allow this to cook, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Chantel's Home Cooking. As always, the description below will contain the details. Also, check out my food blog, tgplate.blogspot.com. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's broil our noodles. So the original plan was to put these inside of the pot and let them all cook in the slow cooker. However, I do not have any space, so I'm going to boil them in a separate pot. Okay, the noodles are completely cooked. I've already drained the water. So 4 hours has passed and this is how it looks so far. Stay tuned. Okay guys, our vegetable soup is completely done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and read the descriptions below, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day.